Hey guys, how you doing? I'm making this video to show you how to remove a refrigerator, stock refrigerator, 12 volts from new Cascadia. I looked it up at the YouTube and I couldn't find the video, so I wanna upgrade for aftermarket one, which is taller, more space. So you gotta start with this lid or a cap, plastic cap right here. It's holding up on the clips underneath. Just pop up and remove it. These clips holding up. So once you remove that one, you have two screws on the wall. So remove them. This is a T30 L range for it. Another bolt is right here, T25 L range. Also on the other side, and on the front, this bracket right here, this bracket right here. It's 4 bolts right here, 2 on this side, 2 on another side. So remove them, remove the bracket, slide the shelf out until it stopped. So on the side of the rails, press from both sides right here and pull completely out. Here we go. Now we have 3 screws right here. So remove them and then pull this whole bracket out of the place. Now you see the fridge. Once you remove all that, open the door on the fridge. There's 2 screws on the bottom. One is right here, another one right there. So remove them. That's gonna be done for the bottom. Now you can lift it up and remove it. Then you're gonna see the screws and the bracket right there on the back of the wall. So if you decide to remove that one too, you can. If not, you can leave it. You can place another fridge in here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I hope this video will help you to figure that out, how to remove stock fridge out of the new Cascadia. Mine is 2019. So have a good one.